All right, so we're back here. Here's the entire vehicle unboxed and everything that's in the box taken out. So here's the Xmaxx, standard 8S Xmaxx, except for it has the red shocks, I'd imagine, to match the snap-on color scheme. The lift gate for the truck is still attached, as you can see. So I'll take that off eventually. Looks like it just goes on with a couple little screws here and there. It is quite massive. I've never had an Xmaxx. I've had Emaxes and all sorts of other Traxxas vehicles in the past, but this one is massive. It reminds me of the 5T, the Baja 5T I had. It's definitely heavy. There's no batteries in it, but I'd say it probably weighs a good 25, 30 pounds just to pick it up. The wheels are massive. I have a pretty big hand, and it covers almost my entire hand, can cover almost the whole wheel. It's got the Valenian, power system, speed control, high current connectors, the antenna. Looks like it's pretty well done. This connector here is what powers all the LED lights inside the shell. And the body shell you can see here, which is very nicely done, kind of sits on there. It's got the standard quick connect system in there to unlock the body, which is very nice. Instead of having to use body pins, it just works really well. So let's take a look inside the shell here. So this is where the that connector from the body plugs in, and then you can see all the little LED light boards that light up all over the truck. So there's one there, there's one there. There's one in the rear here, one in the rear here, and then a couple in the corners up there. So there seems to be quite a lot of LEDs, and not just LED bulbs or LED light boards, which are pretty nice. Let me see if I can set this down here. There's a lot of attention to detail on this. Again, it is all white, and then it looks like they sticker it on. These seem to be decals. Yep, they are decals. So it looks like it's just painted white. Install the LEDs, and then they put the decals on. It's very nicely done. Looks really good. And like I said before, I'm not going to drive with the shell on because I don't want this to get all scratched up. I am going to use this thing. I bought it to use it. You don't spend $1,000 or close to something, close to $1,000 to put it on the shelf, in my opinion. But everybody, to each his own. Front of the truck there, again, really nice detail on it. But looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Traxxas does a really nice job putting things together. They really do. The packaging was great. It weighs a ton. It all came in one big box. So there's the truck itself. Again, the manual, which comes with a couple little things. There's the Easy Peak dual charger, the 2 batteries, and the remote, the TQI top qualifier remote. So that's what you get in the package. For the snap-on van truck, I know there's another snap-on version that comes with an 8S battery and the Easy Peak Live charger, which has a black body and a red and white body, if I believe. But I like this setup better. It suits me and my son better as far as the batteries and the speed. But I do have the 8S package coming as well. So when we get bored with this, if we ever do, we can just plug that in and go crazy. But all in all, pretty happy with it. Anybody that's looking at buying one of these, like I said, I think it's a much better deal to get this than go buy an 8S Xmaxx standard edition, because you get the batteries, the remote, and you get the charger, and you get a body that if you don't want, you can sell for a couple $100 and recoup a lot of your costs for the model itself. So anybody that's thinking about it, looks really good, it's well done, and that's about it. So thanks for watching.